So I just left Home Depot right now and I spent a ton of money. So this is the thing. People talk about home ownership. Not everybody is meant to be a homeowner, and that's okay. Just to change the flooring in the house costs freaking thousands of dollars just to purchase the flooring. And I got cheap flooring, y'all. And then to pay to get it changed, and then all the materials for the flooring. So when people tell you that they don't want to own a home, and then you'll get all up in arms about it, and I'm just like, why do you care if people want to own homes or not? It's a personal choice. We purchased this house as a rental, and so we don't plan to live in it. But if I was to live in it, I wouldn't have bought it because I don't want to own a home. I don't want to have to deal with anything that's to do with owning a home. I don't want to have to deal with fixing a home. It's different when I'm fixing the home on a rental property, knowing that there is some income coming in and I can offset the cost. But if I am just spending money on a house that I own with no income coming in and spending costs going out, I would be irritated. So for the record, that's why I don't own a home that I live in, and I have no interest in owning that. Home ownership is not cheap. So if people tell you they don't want to own a home, get over it. Leave them alone. It's a personal preference. It's a personal choice. You want to buy a house, buy it. You don't want to buy a house and you want to be a renter, do it. Whatever works for you.